guys, welcome back to Molly Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Rashay. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. Today I have a few little mishmash things for you. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film. Today's actually the day of Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people are taking today off. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do, but I decided that I was gonna do a nice little quick video for you today. So regarding December, I know a lot of people are doing Vlogmas or in the thrifting world, Thriftmas. So I'm not sure if my schedule will allow it. I'm hoping to at least do 3 videos a week starting December. So it would be only 2 videos next week. I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. If you haven't yet hit the notification bell, do hit the notification bell so you'll see if I do upload a video next Wednesday, the 1st of December. But yeah, I'm still not sure if I can manage it, but I'm hopeful. I'm just gonna have to find a format that's easy to film and easy to edit, and then I'll be able to do it for you. So it might be a little different than how I'm filming now, but we'll see. Then the other thing is I wanted to show you some things that I got in the mail. I was waiting on my Clinique package, which is this one. So this is what it looks like. I also picked up the TLC, the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. So I'm just trying to run through this really quickly. I got the mini for like, I know there's a lot of controversy about the prices of Drunk Elephant, but I just got this little mini resurfacing, what do you call it? AHA, BHA. I do have the ordinary AHA, BHA, you know, that vampire blood thing, but I don't know if it works. Maybe I want to see the peel. I also tried the Paula's Choice. I did see some peeling for that. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. This is what this little one looks like. And okay, so this, you know, this little, oh, so overexposed. Hold on. So this little thing right here, I was wondering what this is. Like there's so they've added a little sample of what is this? They've added a little sample of the virgin manuka oil. So, oh, perfect. I've been looking for bundles, so I'm glad now I can try their manuka oil as well. So that's a fun little surprise in this. So that's from Drunk Elephant. Then I just wanted to show you what's in this package. You know, they've nicely decorated it with candy canes. So these are the products that are inside. And yeah, so it's a nice reusable tin as well. So I was just loving the vibe of this. They caught me with the Christmas decorations. So this is the size of the All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. So it's a little mini, great for, you know, throwing in your bag and go. This is the I Take the Day Off makeup removers for lids, lashes, and lips. So this is cool. I do have a micellar water, but you know, I have used this before and it works really well. And then we have the All About Eyes, reduces circles, puffs, and this is a good size pot, I think. Yeah. And then we have the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Of course, this is the mini. The big size is like 3 sizes this. And then we have the Moisture Surge. So this is what I was looking for specifically, and the rest is bonus. Oh, it's like a gel. I thought it was more, I never used it before. I thought it was more like a oil-based cream, but this is more like a, you know, this reminds me of the Laneige. Is that like the water sleeping mask? You see how like watery it is? Oh, so it's more like a water sleeping mask type thing than a moisturizer. I'll look back at the ingredients, but if it's this thin and jelly water base, then it would go before my retin-aid as opposed to after, which is basically what I'm trying to figure out. Where do I put it now that it's not a moisturizer? So it would go before my retin-aid. So anyhow, so those are the two things that came in from Sephora that I was waiting for. And oh, I also told you I got some boots. So you saw the Steve Madden snakeskins that I wore, but this is my actual outfit for Thanksgiving. I'm a sucker. I just went for black. On these days when you're gonna be around, more people, I just wanna go to my comfort zone, which is full black. So I'm wearing just this little black top, and I've paired it with a pair of leather pants. So I was saying you saw one of my animal print boots that I was saying I purchased, but I'm showing you the other three that I got because I'm not sure what I'm pairing this with. So the first one is this black boot by Mark Fisher. And I just got this for days when I am wearing all black. Then I can just pop this on to kind of, break the black up a little bit, but I'm really not feeling these today. So yeah, I don't think we're doing this today for the black on black. I also got these. So these are your regular leopard print. These are Circus by Sam Edelman. I actually wore these already. So these are just a cute little booty. I loved the shape of them. I loved the shape of them. I just really like the kitten heel. It means I can do a lot of walking and still, not have to be in flats, basically. One of the things that I saw that triggered my animal print need was the Isabel Marant zebra print boots. I didn't get the zebra print, but I got a tiger print, and these are from Sam Edelman. They also had a snake skin, and I was deciding between their snake skin, which has a similar heel and toe, but I decided to go with Steve Madden because I just preferred the color of that and the style of those boots coming all the way up. So I went with the Steve Madden for those, but that same shoe they had in the booty and in tiger print. So I decided to go for this. So I'll either do the tiger print today or I'll go to my leopard print. Let's see. So this is with the tiger print. So this is with the tiger print, and this is with my leopard print. So I still don't know which one I'm gonna do. The other thing I got that is new in is I got another vintage bag, and this is the Celine in the vintage macadam, and it's one of those cosmetic pouch thingies. So this is the latest of my vintage bag finds. I did find this macadam print in the blue, but now that they have enlarged the Celine print that's on the vintage bag, and they've now called it the Triumph print. So when I saw this, I just decided I'd get it. You'd see the logo right here, and I love the nice little gold zip right here. It's so heavy and weighty right here. But just a cute little compact little bag today. So I may take this with me. If I do take this, then it would definitely go better with the cheetah print here. So I don't know. We'll see. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't need a lot of stuff, so I could always just take this vintage little nothing. I just put my purse, some gloss in it, and that's all I need. So then if I decide to just wear this little mini crossbody, then I could always go with the tiger print. So I'm still undecided, but that's where I am today on Thanksgiving. So I'm not too worried that it's that it's body hugging either. When the stomach starts to expand, we're all family. No one cares that I have a little hangover. It's fine. It will be okay. But I'm very comfortable. This is a nice, just relaxed little top. So that's the look for Thanksgiving. So now for the haul. I have a few pieces that I found online. Now, when I can't find those real vintage, type pieces, I get a little impatient and I go searching online to see what I can find in the vintage front. Always size is always an issue, and I see so many beautiful things, but I know they won't fit me, and I know I'm not gonna go into a huge DIY to fix them. These items require a little less work, and so I was willing to pick these up, and so I'll go into the haul right now. Now, the two items I picked up are very similar. I found one first, and since I was already looking for something like this, when I saw the other one, I bought it also. Don't judge me. So the first, the first dress is this black midi dress. It is a full black dress. Now, what I wanted to do with this is just to turn this into a top. And the reason I feel no way about cutting a vintage dress is because all of the details are really in the top half of the dress. We're talking about the slightly puffed sleeve. We have a little covered button here, and in the front of it, you know, the lace collar, there's some ribbing to the bodice on the front and the back of the dress, but beyond that is just really a sheet of black fabric. So I know I'm not gonna wear a full black dress, so I think I'll get a lot more wear if I put this as a top. But yeah, that's the first piece. Now the second dress is very similar to the first, and it's this velvet dress with another white color. This one is not a full lace, but it does have like a little lace trim here. This also came with this little bandana, plaid bandana, like tie waist thing. No. But it's also on the buttons. So the buttons does have these little bandana things, and there's a little pull here to put the bandana through. Those will be removed. I also wanted to change these buttons out for some pearl buttons, which I haven't been able to find the size that I want because they need to be really small. But this again, all of the details are basically in the top half of the dress. The slight little puff sleeve, the lace collar. When I change the buttons out, I want to make them, pearls. But even as this, if you wanted to keep it festive, the details are here. Beyond that, again, it's just a sheet of velvet cloth. So I don't really feel, anyway, by cutting this into a top, it would definitely be a lot more wearable as a top for this as well. This has more of a drop waist, unlike this dress. If I cut it, about here, then I'd get a bit of a little peplum kind of detail. Whereas this with a drop waist, this is probably more of a tuck-in shirt. But yeah, I just saw them and I caught a vision of it, and I decided to grab them for that purpose. This is by, I forgot to say who it's by. This is by S. Howard Hirsch. And this dress is by Pretty as a Picture. I just love these little vintage tags. But so these are the two items that I picked up on Poshmark that I want to, chop chop. The next and final DIY, I think you're gonna love it. I love it. When I saw it, I was like, of course. So I was on Net-a-Porter, window shopping. But I saw this like shawl cape on Net-a-Porter by Chloe. I'll put a photo up here so you can see what that looks like. And the reason it called out to me is because I have a shawl in a very similar pattern like that. And it's this kind of like Western motif type shawl. I hardly wear it because when it's warm enough to wear it, I typically wear like a blazer or something. So, I have it and I love the look of it. It just does not, I just don't wear it often enough. So when I saw the Chloe, I'm like, well, that will be a lot more wearable, and it will actually be warm because I have this old puffer jacket vest that if I just put it under here like this, then that's our look. Let me put it better for you. So I'm just thinking, when I put the vest under this, the vest will be warm. I won't have to worry about this falling and shifting about, and it's just a nice chic little look, and it's my nice little Chloe dupe. Now, the Chloe cape is a lot longer than this, but it's still, you know, it's still right in that design aspect. So I'm looking forward to seeing the outcome of this as well. So this is the after. I just paired it with a pair of flared jeans. I have my vintage bobby as a clutch, and I've just decided that, you know, sorry about the sun, but yeah, I think it's a lot more wearable like this, and this would also look really good with straight jeans, and I love it. Of course, I will be doing a little hem on the bottom. It's crazy for me to be doing DIY on the day of Thanksgiving, but I really loved the color. You know, colors were such a statement, but I've always loved like these distinct vintage colors, and just seeing it, I kept the bow, I kept everything else. It's giving a nice cinch in the waist, and yeah, I think this turned out really well. So let me know what you think in the comment section. So this is the first top. You know, I could even tuck this in if I wanted to, but definitely a lot more wearable, I think. But just seeing how it turned out, I am definitely sure that you'll agree with me that it's much better as a top than it was a dress. So this is the first DIY project. Now I've just paired this. I love this already. I've paired it with I can't speak, my leather pants I just had on, and this, I also love the transformation of this dress. So this is dress number 2. I definitely think this is much better with as a top. I kept the buttons. I haven't changed the buttons yet, but even as a top, I already don't hate them. So yeah, so this is what I did. I still have my vintage Dior using as a clutch, and I've kept the same Nina stilettos for this look. So all black, but still very interesting. We're having texture, we're having tones, we're having, you know, a little play on color. So this is such a great look, especially for the season. I think I'll definitely keep the buttons for the season. Anything coming up for the holidays, this will be a perfect look. So this is the dress number 2. So love it. So this is the second top, and you have to love this. Come on. So here we go, guys. I used Judith to help me with this one. So Judith has my little cape. So this is the Chloe dupe. I literally just did a quick hand sew. I didn't pull my machine out for this. It is the day of Thanksgiving, so nothing too extra, she says after making a cape. So this is what it looks like. Even in the back, came all the way around here. And if you look back at the Chloe, I'll put back the Chloe here, you'll see that it just like nicely falls. And yeah, this is my little Chloe dupe. I'm definitely gonna wear this today to my little Thanksgiving, because now the cape is actually warm enough by having this vest on. And this is just an old J. Crew vest that I had. So yeah, this is my cape, and I love it. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section which of my little DIY pieces were your favorite. Also, do have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you do celebrate Thanksgiving, do enjoy it. Eat for the both of us. I'm gonna go do my little eating later. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.